Welcome to Design with Miyoshi. We're going to make a little washer real quick. It's going to be a fast part. We'll make the drawing, or the model and the drawing.
But first, I want to thank Northwest Technical Products for sponsoring this video. If you are part of an educational institution in Washington, Alaska, Oregon, Idaho, or Montana, contact Northwest Technical Products for all your SolidWorks and other technical needs. Thanks, Andrew, and all the crew at Northwest Technical Products. So again, we'll make a part. Oh, wait, okay. And there we go. And as always, we're going to start with sketch. Once it comes up here, sketch. We'll make this the front plane. And we'll just make a couple circles. So a circle centered on the origin, and then another circle centered on the origin. And then we'll just smart dimension it. It's going to be the same as our axle. Actually, we're going to make it slightly bigger than the axle. So it's 7/16. And then we'll make the outer one 3/4. Okay, now we're just going to make extrude boss face. And it doesn't matter if we extrude both ways or not. We're going to extrude it 3/16 of an inch. So I'll just make sure this is highlighted over here and do 3/16. There we have it. Now I probably should put a little, since it's a little washer, maybe I should put tiny fillets there. So let's do that too. So here we go, fillets. Now let's put small ones. We'll make them 32nd. Grab the edge, and there we have it. Little washer. Oh, let's do one more thing. I'll right click on fillet, go back to edit the feature, and we'll put little fillets on the inside too. There we go. There we go, little fillet. So I'll save this up, or little washer. I'll save this guy up. I'll do semi washer. That looks really big, but it's not. So then we'll do a new part from drawing from part. And NCA landscape. Of course, I want to do drawing, model view next. And I want to do multiple views, top, front, and right. The trimetric's already selected, so I'll leave that there. I want to see the hidden lines. And notice I want to use a C-scale. It is 4:1, so it's quite a bit big. We might change that in a minute. We'll see. And we'll move this around a touch. If I don't need the right view, we'll see which views I want. I do want to get rid of the tangent list. Right click, select, tangent edge, tangent remove. I got to do that on all my views. So right click, tangent edge, tangent remove, right click, tangent edge, tangent remove. And I'm going to do that on the trimetric view over here too. Right click, tangent edge is removed. No, maybe not. We'll put it back in. Right click, tangent edge is visible. I don't know what this font is. Let's try that. See what that is. Yeah, I don't like that as much. So we'll right click, tangent edge is visible. Yeah, it's okay. All right, so move that down over there. And now we will do annotation, model items, and entire model, import items in all view, hit select the OK button over there. Move that down here. Make sure it's enough decimal places. There we go. And move the diameter here. Looks good. Pull this out just a touch. And my fillet dimension, I don't really like it there, so let's just get rid of that. And we'll just put another smart dimension. We'll just fillet it up here, or put the fillet up here. And we know that's going to be, I need 4 decimal places. That's 5. I need 5. So 30 seconds. I need 5 decimal places. And we'll put 4x there. 4x space. Okay. And I'll put it like that. Looks better. Okay. And then we'll make sure we give that enough decimal places as well. Oops, I don't need 5. We'll just do 4. And that looks pretty good. I don't need this right view at all, so I'll delete it. Yep. Sorry. Oops. Need to do that. Get that back. I don't want to get rid of that. I want to be out of smart dimension. That was my mistake. I'll get rid of the view instead. Just hit the delete button. Hit OK. And there we have it. Our little washer. So I will right click on sheet format, edit sheet format, and double click on name. When the A shows up, all caps, put my name, the date, today's May 24th. Oops, I need to double click in there. I'll click in here for my design firm. They should put design with Miyoshi, shouldn't I? Double click in here, and I'll do. There we go, our own little washer. And there we have it. On the OK button over here, right click sheet format, edit sheet, zoom out of it. Of course, I don't need to do that. Right click, or middle mouse button. It's a wheel, but I use it as a middle mouse button. And the control key, and I can pan. Oops, wrong thing. Come on, escape. Oh, come on. All right, control key. Wheel, there we go. And I'll do save. Hit OK, or save all. And that's good for the name. Then of course, I'll do a save as. Save it as PDF file. Hit OK, or save. Oh, what happened to the sheet? Oh, I see what I did. I just need to get rid of that sheet. Right click, delete that sheet. Yep, I don't need that sheet. So now let's do save again. And I'll do a save as and save the PDF. There we go. Didn't realize it saved. That's okay. There we have it. A nice little washer that'll go on the axle, so the axle doesn't go back and forth too much or in and out too much. Okay, there we have it. The washer. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time on Design with Miyoshi.